degree.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I, the King Goa, invite all the people in my kingdom to celebrate with me the capital of Goa. I advocate peace and harmony in you, respect all regions and that's all. Do good to others and be happy and keep our Goa clean and free.
I'm very excited. You know, the reason I'm here, I want to promote our culture in Canada.
Tell us, how do you see this carnival when you talk about this in Canada and all?
See, I'll tell you this history. I was here about 50 years ago. I left Goa in 1968, and I've never seen carnival like this before. It's the first time. You know, and the reason I'm here, I play in a band in Toronto, in Calgary and Toronto. So the reason I'm here, I want to promote our culture in Canada.
So for you, what is carnival according to you? For you?
For me, I think it's a celebration. You know, celebration. People are happy, dancing. You know, drinking, having fun.
And how do you see this ancient tradition being kept alive in Goa?
I'm so proud that, you know, whenever it was started, I don't know when it was started, but during my time, when I was here in 1963, and I did not see this. I'm very excited, very, very much.
You have come with your family?
Yes, my wife is here actually.
The spectacle of India. Yeah, there's something we come to see.
We enjoy Carnival.
Yeah. We like to go to Carnival in different countries. Yeah.
You haven't been here before, Goa?
No, we've never been to India before.
You heard about Carnival? You heard about Carnival?
We heard about Carnival, we were told about it, so we thought we would come along.
So you are enjoying Goa?
Yes, very much, very much.
Carnival तुमचे किती प्रोग्राम आहे?
Carnival, there are a lot of programs, traditional and non-traditional. About 88 forms were taken and entry is 65 forms. So I think 65, if all come, it will be good.
So how is the arrangement done so far?
Very nice this time. Hats off to CCB and especially Eddie George is there. Then hats off to Uday Madkekar and Minin D. Cruz. There are 3 people.
What is the special this Carnival?
Huh?
What is the special this Carnival?
No, as usual, but very systematically they have done. Only thing, drawback this year and last year, because change of route, change of carnival route. It has to be gone back to Panjim. This is not at all attractive route. And people come by, we have to go to Miramar, they are saying.
So you want it back to the old route?
Yeah, we want it back to old route. Very important.
विवा कार्निवाल वर्ष पद्धती प्रमाणे की आमचो कार्निवाल 3 दीस जो किंग मेमेचो संदेश घेऊन आम्ही भायर सरल्यात गोंयांत 3 दीस खाओ पिओ और मजा करो गोंयचे फेस्टिवल गोंयची संस्कृती मुखार व्हरपाचो आमचो प्रयत्न आहा आनी ह्या गोंयच्या कार्निवाला भितर तुमकां डान्स म्युजीक बरें जेवण अशें फेस्टिवल तुमकां दीस पडटलो गोंयची परंपरा गोंयची संस्कृती ताचें दर्शन जातलें ह्या फ्लोट्सा भितर हर एक संस्कृतीचे आमचे गोंयकाराचे जे पुर्वजांनी जे दवरला तें दाखोवपा खातीर म्हाजो प्रयत्न आमचो प्रयत्न गव्हर्मेंटाचो हेका सगळे गोंयकार साथ दितले अशें हांव व्यक्त करता आमचो कार्निवाल गोंया भितरच न्ही पण गोंया भायर देश विदेशीन पावचो आनी जाता तितले टुरिस्ट हांगा येवचे आनी ह्या फेस्टिवलाचो सगळ्या गोंयकारांनी देशांत विदेशांत ताचो आनंद घेवचो अशें आमी गोंयकारा कडेन मागता देशा कडेन मागता आनी हे फेस्टिवला भितर 3 दीस सगळ्यांनी एन्जॉय करचें बरें.